All right, here's the truth. Views don't pay the bills, but when you position your content very strategically, every view is just one message away to getting a new affiliate sale with the products and gear that you are promoting with your links. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step system that RockPorch creators are leveraging now to turn their views into sales, whether you are sharing fitness routines, RV must-haves, camping essentials, outdoor gear, you name it. If it's a product that's listed with over 1,000 of our RockPorch brand partnerships, then this video's got you covered. My name is Marissa, the YouTube strategist here at RockPorch, and my mission is to help you to break through the next barrier of YouTube growth so that you can catapult your commissions with your RockPorch links. All right, so without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, so the first one is definitely start with buyer intent titles. So this could look like, if you have a hiking niche specifically, it could be like, hey, here's the best hiking shoes that are under $100, or something like the 3 must-have RV essentials. And you can even position the product in an engaging, curiosity-based way on the thumbnail that says something like, which one performed better, or something like that. For fitness creators, you can do something like the top 5 dumbbells for workout at home, the best protein powder for vegans. And why these titles? Because these titles already are going to attract people who are already in the research, aka buying mode, and they'll be way more likely to be prepared to pull out their credit card as opposed to just casually being entertained on the platform or not even shopping around. So the next thing you want to do to increase your commissions with YouTube is to be sure to put the links where the most eyeballs are. So that is in the very first line of the description box, the first pinned comment or the pinned comment in the comment section. So when you go, you can comment, hey, if you enjoyed this video, check out my list of top essentials for hunting or whatever it is. And you can put your locker there with a few products in it. And something that people almost always miss, I see it with YouTubers all the time, is the community tab. So that is that space where it says either community or post. Nowadays, more and more channels call it post. And that is a source of traffic within itself that's highly, highly missed. So on the community tab, you can put a 5-picture carousel of your latest trip or your latest workout or whatever it is you're doing, and then put a quick insight of what you experienced or what you discovered, tell a quick story, and then drop your links right there in the community tab. And there's no limit. I mean, you can post on your community tab if you want to 6 times a day, right? Because it is to engage with your current subscriber base. And not only that, it helps with discoverability. The next thing is you want to show your product in action. And for some reason, time lapses are really, really popular. So all that means is you just grab your mobile phone, right? And you put the setting in time lapse. Just grab a cheap tripod, or you can prop it up really on anything, a shelf, and do a time lapse of you setting up a tent, or of you hosting a fitness workout and showing you using different bands or resistance equipment, etc. And time lapses can hold retention like crazy. Okay, so this is also called B-roll. So when you're talking about a point, like you're already back from the trip and you're talking about how when you were out on the campsite, you were popping up the tent, you have the B-roll of the entire thing. Maybe you took 2 hours to set up the thing. The time lapse is going to show that whole process within 40 seconds. So it's really, really cool. So not only is it a retention hack, but it'll definitely spark interest in getting more traffic to your affiliate links. The other thing too is that if your channel is monetized with the YouTube partnership platform, meaning for new channels, you already have 500 subscribers and you already have 3,000 watch hours, you should be a part of the YouTube partnership program. You can apply in the monetization/earn tab and see if you're eligible yet. What I mean is, if you're monetized, you definitely need to be leveraging cards in the videos. So these things up here, you can connect your website to the cards. And if you are shouting out your products, then you can point right here, right? YouTubers point, just grab your left arm and go point up, and that's where the cards are going to be in the actual YouTube video. So you should definitely be leveraging those because people do click on cards within a video, especially if they are on their computer or desktop. So overall, you want to be starting and leveraging buyer intent topics, place all of your links where they're going to be seen, show the products in action, and definitely tell the story behind them. So do this consistently and watch your revenue triple by the next quarter. If you enjoyed this video, definitely check out the video coming up next, which is all about more ways to grow on YouTube and monetize with your affiliate commissions. That video is right here. Just click and we'll see you there.